This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure Phonepe is updated and your number is active. This avoids missing features. Once done, open Phonepe and sign in using your registered mobile number and OTP so the app recognizes incoming notifications. Next, go to your phone settings and confirm general notification permission for Phonepe and raise the media and notification volumes. This ensures voice alerts will be audible. Make sure DND is off or allow Phonepe exceptions so voice notifications aren't suppressed. Now you dive into Phonepe's notification settings to enable voice alerts specifically. Tap your profile, choose Settings, then Notifications. Locate the voice notifications or transaction alerts option and toggle it on so the app will speak important updates. If the app requests additional permissions like microphone or accessibility to deliver spoken notifications, grant them cautiously. These let Phonepe synthesize and route audio. Once toggled, trigger a test transaction or use the preview option so you can confirm the voice format and volume immediately. Finally, verify the feature by sending a small UPI transaction or using the notification preview inside Phonepe so you hear a voice alert. This confirms end-to-end setup. If you don't hear anything, make sure system volume and notification channels are enabled, disable Do Not Disturb or add Phonepe as an exception, and turn off battery saver which can block background audio. If issues persist, clear Phonepe cache or reinstall the app, and only then contact Phonepe support with screenshots and device details for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.